It's time. It's time. It's time. Yeah. It's time. It's time for a new setup. All right, guys, it's finally time to get rid of the super singles. The 10 lug 22x14 Alcoa super singles are about to leave. They're about to be taken off my truck. They're about to be taken away today. And I just want to explain why. So this channel was pretty much created with these wheels. I'm super proud of that. I'm super happy to know that these wheels are something that you guys follow, and you guys follow the truck and a lot of the videos that I post, and I really appreciate that. I really do. But I daily drive this truck right here, so it's kind of annoying to drive on 22x14 Alcoa super singles that weigh 150 pounds a piece. So I posted these for sale for a price that I thought would be fair. I've got a lot of money in these. I've got a lot of time in these, polishing and whatever. And I really wanted to do some kind of channel giveaway or something like that. Unfortunately, my channel's not big enough, although it is growing rapidly. Can't thank you guys enough for subscribing down below. If you haven't already, hit it right now. But I just couldn't fathom giving these away. I think I would literally eat the cost of the wheels. Most people with their giveaways, with their trucks and wheels and whatever, they make almost double of their, upfront cost. So let's just say I was gonna sell these wheels for $4,000. They would have made 8 to 10 grand on their giveaway. Yeah, that'd be totally worth it. But I don't have a big enough following to do that yet. I would love to do that soon, but now is not the time for that. If I were to give them away, I would probably be making a couple $100, and I might gain some followers. That's not really what I'm in it for. Yeah, I do want to make you guys happy and all that, but I can't just afford to give 4 grand away for no reason for a couple followers or subscribers. Right now, I've got some nasty wheels on the way for this thing. If everything comes together, you guys will be seeing this in the next video, and it is gonna be a nasty setup. It's not gonna be 22x14s, I will tell you that much, but you have to stay tuned to see what they're gonna be. Yes, they are polished. Yes, they are forged. All that good stuff. They are gonna be 8 lugs, but that's all right. I want something that I can drive around daily and be perfectly comfortable with and not have to, drive in a straight line the whole time because we're lowered on 22x14s. We're going bigger, don't worry. This is gonna be a nasty setup. I can't thank you guys enough for watching these videos with the Alcoa Super Singles. This has been a badass setup. Shout out to Dually King for getting me right with these. The machining work that he did literally flawlessly from 22.5 to 22 to run a 22-inch tire. And yes, they are pretty stretched, but huge shout out to everyone that has contacted me through these wheels. I literally get messages multiple times a day. Like, I'm talking some days 5 to 6 messages on Instagram for these wheels, why I did it, what they are, what they came from, all kinds of stuff. So if you were one of those people, hopefully I responded. I try to respond to everybody. I try to help you guys out because I think this whole community is really cool, and I love getting questions on all kinds of stuff like this, and I really do try to answer everybody. So if you have any questions on this setup, I will still answer all those questions for sure, but we are going to a new setup very soon, so stay tuned to Nasty Nate right here. Guys, one of the main reasons that I don't really want to get rid of these, but I can't just keep a bunch of wheels stacked up and have a bunch of money wrapped up in wheels like this. So the reason I'm getting rid of these is because I'm just overall bored with them. Like, I've had them for a year and a half, almost on the truck. I've had them for longer than that, you know, getting worked on and everything before that. So I'm just bored with the setup overall. Like, it's a nasty looking setup, and when I go back to stocks and then put these back on, it definitely like makes me think twice about it. But I'm so ready for a change, and hopefully you guys are too, because this is gonna look nasty. I cannot wait. Like, I'm so excited to show you guys. I don't even like want to keep it a secret because I already know what's coming, but I have to keep it a secret because it's going to be a badass video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm just trying to explain all of this at once. It's hard for me to fathom getting rid of these, but I can always build another set of these. I've got kind of a hookup on wheels and adapters, so if you need help with that, hit me up. I know where to get these wheels and adapters, and if I need another set of these, I'm just gonna build another set, you know, down the road. If I think I shouldn't have got rid of those, I'm gonna build another set with new adapters. There's some things that I would do differently. I want to build a custom adapter for the rear, and I would need a custom adapter for the front. But if I do go back to running a setup like this, I'm gonna redo it and hopefully get a different offset wheel too, so they stick out. And then at that time, hopefully this is not my daily driver, so we can do a crazy wide super single setup on this truck and not really have to worry about it. Kind of like a show setup, if you will. Anyway, that's it for you. Stay tuned and Ask Nate.